going on, guys? So today I think the plan is we're going to a driving range. First time, so it should be interesting. But yeah, it should be good.
Crazy shots.
Yeah, they're going shit.
I think take it a bit slower. But actually, go a bit slower. A bit slower, a bit more calculated. Just go.
Wait, how we should do? We should do fucking GoPro.
Yeah, can you put the GoPro on me? No.
I mean,
Yeah? Alright, PGA, yeah? Pro golfers, alright.
oh, you know what? That's not
Good, son. Has at least 10,000 miles, that was. It's a different postcode, that is. Oh, here we go. Sending it to the moon, you ready? That was very nice, Jamie.
body can take anymore, bro.
I could spend all day here, mate.
My wrists are killing.
I genuinely could spend all day here.
What? Rookie golf ball. Can I get this one?
It's the one. To the moon. To the moon, baby.
Fucking hell,
You could have
Joe.
caught that
You
one.
tried to.
And the before picture of it.
Nice. Like it. It's good video of that.